Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to set a custom ringtone on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, tap Sounds and Vibration, Sound, or Notifications, depending on your device. Then, tap Phone Ringtone, Ringtone, or Incoming Call Ringtone. You'll see a list of the available ringtones on your phone. To use your own audio file, tap Add Ringtone, the plus icon, or choose from Files, depending on your Android device. Browse your phone's storage and select the music or audio file you want to use. If your phone allows it, you can trim the audio and choose the exact part you want to use as your ringtone. After selecting the file, tap Done, Save, or Apply to confirm your changes. To make sure everything is working correctly, tap the ringtone to preview it before saving. Once the new ringtone is applied, ask a friend to call you or use another phone to test it. This helps you confirm that your custom ringtone is working properly. If the ringtone doesn't change, go back to the ringtone settings and make sure you've selected the correct audio file. Some audio formats may not be supported on every Android device, so you may need to choose a different file. You can repeat these steps anytime if you want to switch to another ringtone or return to the default one. Custom ringtones are a great way to personalize your phone and make it easier to recognize incoming calls without looking at the screen. That's all. You've successfully set a custom ringtone on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.